Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use the object eraser tool on Samsung phone. Let's have a look. First, open Gallery app and choose the photo to use object eraser tool. Tap pencil icon to edit your photo. Now tap menu icon on bottom right. Tap object eraser. A better way to erase, try the AI-powered eraser in Photo Assist. Tap Not Now. Tap or draw around anything you want to erase. Then tap Erase. That's it. Tap Done. That's it. Object erased. Tap Save on top right. So these are the steps to use object eraser tool on Samsung phone. For this video I am using Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.